In this institute, I am learning the use of AI tools for education and for the improvement of daily life. As someone deeply connected to the world of learning and innovation, I believe that technology, especially AI, has the power to reshape education in meaningful ways. Today, I am sharing my thoughts on a visionary TED Talk by Salman Khan. He is the CEO of Khan Academy. In his TED Talk, he discusses how AI can save, not destroy, education. So, join me in this live session as I reflect on its powerful insights, highlight its potential for Pakistani classrooms, and offer a teacher's perspective on the future of learning. Let's explore together how we, as educators and learners, can embrace change with purpose, wisdom, and care. Before going toward the review of the TED Talk, firstly, I want to introduce you with the speaker of TED Talk, who is Salman Khan, the owner of Khan Academy. I am sharing with you his short biography. That is, Salman Khan is an American educator and entrepreneur. He is best known as the founder of Khan Academy, a free online learning platform used by millions of students and teachers worldwide. He was born on October 11, 1976, in America to Bangladeshi and Indian immigrant parents. Khan holds degree from MIT in mathematics, computer science, and electrical engineering, and an MBA from Harvard Business School. He started Khan Academy in 2008 as a way to tutor his cousin in math through YouTube videos. Today, it has grown into one of the most influential platforms in the world, offering free education in multiple subjects in dozens of languages. In 2023, he introduced Khan Migo, an AI-powered tutor aiming to bring personalized education to every child. Khan is widely recognized for his contribution to education and was listed among Time magazine's 100 most influential people in the world. Now let's move toward the review of his TED Talk in 2023. In the May 2023 TED Talk, Salman Khan paints a hopeful future where AI, embodied in Khan Migo, serve as a personal tutor for every student and a teaching assistant for every teacher. He frames AI as a transformative educational tool, not a cheating aid, and introduces safeguards to prevent misuse. The good points in the TED talk he was talking about, or I can say the point which inspired me, are these. Number one, visionary ambition. Khan connects AI to the famous 2 sigma problem, showing how personal tutoring can significantly raise average student performance and position AI as a scalable solution. Number two, attributes of Khan Migo. The AI tutor doesn't simply provide answer. It guides students through Socratic questioning, detects misconceptions, sport coding, and contextualizes video lesson. The Khan Migo, that is the AI tool for the teaching purpose. When student interact with this AI tool and they want to answer of their question, the Khan Migo can never give them the direct answer. But he gave them, or he introduced many techniques in which he questions the student about what are your problem, how you can solve it, or how you give the wrong answer, what is the reason. So he will start question answer with the students, and then in step by step he guide them toward the right answer. In this way he teach them how we can solve our problem, not he give them cheating or shortcut or direct answer of their question. It is very good point of Hanmigo. I also use, or I also use this AI model. It is very good. And uh, uh, the representation of Hanmigo in this TED talk is very good. Third point is ethical safeguards. Conversations with AI are recorded and reviewed, and Hanmigo avoid giving direct answer to discourage cheating. Very good point it is that they think about the ethics and values and the human perspectives, and they are not giving answer directly, or provide shortcuts or the negative impact of AI on students, but they teach them properly in proper method, and they record all the things. And if there is some mistakes or problems in the system, then they can identify it very easily by the recording, and then they can solve it, or they can resolve it, and they can watch each and every step of AI and student with each another. So they are keeping an eye on all the process. It is very good point, it is very good effort. And the fourth point is support for teachers, students, and counselor. Hanmigo, the AI tool, can act as lesson planning aid, academic or career coach, reducing workload and scaling guidance where human counselors are less or scarce. It's mean that and the Hanmigo AI tool help teachers to plan their lesson to work properly, or they lessen the burden of teacher, and he prepare all many things in on the behalf of teacher. At the end, the teacher can the check the work of the AI tool, and they can amend some and two threes things which they can think are not good. In this way he shared the workload, and he reduced the stress on the teacher, or he also give guidance to students and the teacher. It is very good. And he the AI tool prepare each and everything for students and for teacher. For work aid, academic career coach, it is also academic career coach. The next point is balanced perspective. Han Mingu acknowledged both optimism and legitimate fears around AI, urging proactive scaling of good actors and reasonable regulation to govern development. They know very well about the negative side of AI tools, which can be used by other negative people or persons. So Salman Khan say in his TED talk that negative works are going on AI. If the positive mindset is stepping behind or leaving the work, not to do work with AI, then the negative side will be flourish more. So the positive side, we should start work on the positive side, that the AI would be used in helpful and helpful and beneficial way. All these points are very good, impressive. His effort are very impressive of creating this Hanmigo. Mm, so let's move toward the some weaknesses of the TED Talk, or the some points which are, according to my concerns, are under observation, and we can do more effort for these points. So, early stage product. Hanmigo features show are promising but preliminary. Full effectiveness across diverse subjects and student population remain unproven. It's mean that it is not fully effective or it is not fully working on main subjects or diverse subjects, or the are very student are more, and the work of this AI tool is less as compared to the number of students. Over-reliance risk. Heavy dependence on AI could reduce human interaction, particularly if teachers become over reliant on AI tools. So it is very true that if we give our student AI tool and they interact with each another, they may be not consider a human teacher as their assistant, or they can reduce their interaction with human and increase the student, and student can increase their interaction with AI tools. It is a dangerous thing. Gap between vision and implementation. While the vision is persuasive, real world rollout, teachers training, infrastructure, and equitable access worldwide are challenging. These all things are challenging, and they need time, and they can produce many problems, and we can solve this problem step by step. Firstly we face a problem, then we solve it, then next problem, and then gradually we can then we made a full infrastructure. We can face many problems and we can solve them gradually. Limited critique of bias and inclusivity. The talk lightly touches on ethical consideration but doesn't deeply address potential algorithm bias, language or cultural barriers in AI development. It is very right that they consider the problems, or the cultural barriers, or the technical issues which can create by the using of AI tools in a large scale, but they are not deeply concerned with these issues. So these are the some limitations or of the TED talk I watched. Overall, the crux of this TED talk is I can say that the point of view, educational point of view of AI is very impressive and very hopeful. His vision is very hopeful, and these type of tech talks are very good. And we can create more things of AI tools for the benefits of student. But with the reality, we should also be ready for the challenges we can face by using too much these AI tools. We can also define our values, and our rules and our regulation, our vision and our authority, and all the guidance of the using of these tools before giving in these tools openly to the people or to the student. It may be more beneficial. So this is the review of the TED Talk of Salman Khan about the Flamingo. I hope you enjoy or you learn many things from my review. You can give your suggestion or your idea or any points you want to share with me in my comment box. So I will review your ideas, and I will talk on these things. And thank you very much for your time. I will come again with another interesting point or idea to share with you.